What if you could start a dropshipping business without any inventory, without dealing with shipping, and without the headache of building a store from scratch? Imagine setting everything up in just minutes. No coding, no confusion, and no wasted time. Just one smart AI-powered tool that creates your entire online store for you. That means your products, the images, product descriptions, and even reliable suppliers are all taken care of. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a complete AI-powered dropshipping business using a trusted platform called Doba. Doba isn't just another dropshipping website, it's actually a powerful business-to-business platform, also known as B2B, and it's been around since 2002. That's over 20 years of helping people build and grow online businesses quickly and easily. It was built in the United States, and it's made especially for people who want to start an online store without the traditional hassles. You don't need to buy stock in advance, and you don't need to pack or ship anything yourself. Everything is automated and done for you. Now, let's talk about what makes Doba different. Why Doba stands out here are some of the reasons so many people trust Doba. You get access to over 72,000 products in nearly every niche you can think of, from pet supplies, fitness gear, home decor, beauty, tech, gadgets, and much more. You can work with both US-based and China-based suppliers, depending on what fits your store best. Your customers receive products directly from the suppliers, so you never need to store anything or handle shipping. Doba includes powerful AI tools to build your store, choose your products, and list them automatically. You can easily connect Doba with platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and others. And the best part? You can build your store in just minutes with the help of AI. Now let me walk you through exactly how this works, step by step. Once you've signed up for a Doba account, go to your dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a tab called AI Hub. This is where all of Doba's artificial intelligence tools live. Here, you'll find three main AI tools. AI Store Builder. This tool builds a full Shopify store based on your niche. AI Product Finder. This tool helps you find the most profitable and trending products using AI. AI Auto Lister. It keeps your store updated with fresh products daily through a fully automated listing process and real-time inventory sync, saving you time and effort. AI Listing Optimizer creates smart, high-converting titles and descriptions instantly. It uses SEO-boosted keywords, adapts to current trends, and ensures your listings meet platform rules for maximum visibility and sales. Let's start with the first one, the AI Store Builder. Click on AI Store Builder. You'll now begin the store setup process. Step 1. Choose your platform. First, choose Shopify as the platform you want to build your store on. If you don't have a Shopify account yet, go ahead and create one. It only takes a few minutes. Now, tell Doba what kind of store you want to build. This is where you define your niche, or in other words, who your audience is and what kind of products you want to sell. You can type in anything like fitness, beauty, and skincare tech, gadgets, baby products, outdoor gear. Choose whatever best fits your interest or what's currently trending. Next, Doba will use AI to generate different store themes for you. These are complete designs with ready-made banners, color schemes, homepage layouts, and product collections. Take a moment to preview each theme and pick the one that matches your brand personality. If you want something fun and colorful, go with that. If you want something sleek and minimal, there will be options for that too. Once you've picked your theme, you'll be asked to connect your Shopify store. You'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store where you can install the official Doba app. Once you've installed the app and granted the required permissions, your store will automatically connect with Doba. Now comes the best part. Doba will automatically populate your new Shopify store with 10 hand-picked high-margin products that are already trending in your selected niche. These products come complete with product images, optimized titles, detailed descriptions, pricing, supplier details. That's it. You now have a complete live online store, designed by professionals, powered by AI, and ready to accept real orders. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.